Hi students, let's have a look at this question. What is the value of square root of 9 into square root of 144 divided by square root of 81? Okay, let's go ahead and solve it. So let's rewrite this in a fashion that is more legible to us or more intelligible so that we can clearly see the relationship between the different operands, that is the numbers on which we are operating on. So this is the situation here. Square root of 9 into square root of 144 divided by square root of 81. And of course, the answer is going to be root of 9 is 3, square root of 144 is 12, and square root of 81 is 9. So this gives me 36 by 9, which is 4. Now there is yet another way of doing the same thing. That is bring everything under the root sign. Okay. Because it's all multiplication and division, you can do that and rewrite like this, divided by 81. Now this is going to give you a numerator of 1296 and you're dividing it by 81. Now, if you do a long division by hand, you will get 16 as the quotient. So we have to calculate root 16, which is equal to 4. So we got the same result through both the methods. I hope this is clear to you now. Thank you very much.